Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Taylor, and in today's lesson, we're going to talk about the commonly confused words lead and lead. Are you ready? Let's get started. These words can be confusing because they look almost the same and can mean two completely different things, or the exact same thing. Also, lead or lead, as you can hear, has two different pronunciations. Now, let's talk about pronunciation. The word lead always has the same E sound as in red. The word lead, when used as a verb, has the same E sound as in need. However, when lead is used as a noun to mean the metal, we say lead. It has the same E sound as in red. Lead is the past tense of the verb lead, which has the E sound like need. Lead is the present tense of the verb. Here are some examples. Yesterday, I led the meeting. Past tense. Today, I will lead the meeting. Present tense. She led the team to victory. Past tense. He will lead the team in the next game. Present tense. The guide led us through the forest. Past tense. The tour guide will lead us to the museum. Present tense. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll give you some sentences with led or lead omitted. Pause the video, try to guess the correct answer, and then I'll provide the answer. Remember to pay attention to the tense of the sentence when deciding whether to use led or lead. Are you ready? The CEO, the company to success last year. The answer is led. The CEO led the company to success last year. Tomorrow, the expert will a workshop on communication skills. The answer is lead. Tomorrow, the expert will lead a workshop on communication skills. Besides its use as a verb, led with EA can also be a noun with different meanings and pronunciations. So, lead can refer to a chemical element that used to be found in pencils. This is where the E sounds like red. A lead can be a leash for walking a dog. A lead can be a piece of information that may help resolve a problem. And lastly, the lead can refer to the foremost position. Here are some examples. Pencils used to contain lead. I need to buy a new lead for my dog. The detective followed the lead to solve the case. She took the lead in the running race. Let's practice one more time. I will give you some more sentences with lead or lead omitted. Pause the video, try to guess the correct answer, and then I will provide the answer. So you need to remember to think about the tense and the meaning of the sentence. The plumber used a pipe to fix the problem. The answer is lead, with the E sound like red. The scout, the group, through the mountains last week. The answer is led, with the E sound like red. The breaking news story gave us a new on the situation. The answer is lead, with the E sound like need. Great job, everyone! Thank you for joining me today. Keep on practicing and you'll master the difference between lead or lead in no time. Don't forget to sign up for Cambly to continue improving your English skills with native speakers anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. and you can use the link in the description box below to schedule your next lesson with me or another awesome tutor. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.